Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many web developers face when working on their projects: Livereload not working and no automatic refresh when changing HTML files. If you've ever found yourself stuck in this situation, wondering why your changes aren't being reflected in real time, then this video is for you. Livereload is an incredible tool that saves us a lot of time and effort by automatically refreshing our web pages as we make changes to the code. However, sometimes it can be frustrating when it doesn't work as expected. In this video, we'll explore why Livereload might not be working and what you can do to fix the issue. So, let's dive right in. To understand why Livereload isn't working, we first need to grasp how it works under the hood. Essentially, Livereload uses a combination of technologies like WebSockets and File Watchers to monitor changes to your code files and refresh the browser accordingly. However, there are several reasons why this process might get interrupted. One common reason is that your project setup might not be configured correctly for Livereload. Perhaps you haven't installed the required dependencies or haven't set up the watch scripts properly. Another possibility is that there's an issue with your file paths. Maybe the files you're trying to monitor aren't being watched by Livereload, or perhaps the browser isn't able to connect to the Livereload server. Let's break it down further. When we make changes to our HTML files, we expect the browser to automatically refresh and reflect those changes. However, this process relies on a few assumptions, one of them being that your browser is connected to the same network as the machine running the Livereload server. If there's a mismatch, or if there are firewall rules blocking the connection, then the automatic refresh won't work. Imagine you're working on a project with multiple developers, and each developer has their own setup for Livereload. In this scenario, it's possible that one of the developers might have configured Livereload differently, causing issues when you try to run it on your machine. This is where troubleshooting comes in handy. By going through a checklist of common issues, we can narrow down the problem and find a solution. So what are they from our discussion? First, make sure that your project setup is correct for Livereload to work. Check if you have all the required dependencies installed and configured properly. Next, verify that the files you're trying to monitor are being watched by Livereload. This includes checking file paths and making sure there aren't any typos. Also, keep in mind that network connectivity issues can prevent Livereload from working as expected. Ensure that your browser is connected to the same network as the machine running the Livereload server, and check for any firewall rules blocking the connection. Finally, when troubleshooting, go through a checklist of common issues. This will help you narrow down the problem and find a solution more quickly. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of why Livereload might not be working for you and what steps you can take to fix the issue. If you're still having trouble, please leave a comment below with your question or problem. We'd love to help. Also, if this video has been helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on web development and troubleshooting. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you can stay updated whenever we release new videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one.